In this video, it's about capturing sunrise or indeed sunset with your iPhone. And by tapping the screen at the highest, brightest point, as in this case, the sunrise, you get a darker exposure that brings out richer colors. So by tapping at the highest color point. Now, if I move along here, and again, the same thing, where if I tap, line it up, so I'm going to get composition of the rocks in the foreground, but you see how I've lined up, I'm touching where that yellow square appears is where I'm tapping. Now if I tap in the foreground where the red arrow is, I get the sun blowing out, I don't get the color. So by tapping at the brightest point, or indeed the sky, you get choices of how darker the image is. I love a bit of lens flare, that looks nice. That's the lens flare at the bottom there, looks great. So you have the flexibility, and again, zooming in, you have the ability to zoom in. This is an iPhone Pro 13. I'm on the 3x zoom, and if I tap on it, if I put my finger on the 3 times, it opens it up as like a compass, and you can move it with your finger. It's like turning the dial, which moves the zoom lens in and out, and you're free to compose how you like. I love the clouds, so I come across and I do the cloud composition. You get real flexibility. So again, I tap on the number of the zoom and I have freedom to turn that around. So I'm not just limited to the half or 2 times or 3. Now, as a bonus, if you're standing back and you've got this plain shot, look for things to put into the foreground, such as trees. In this case, I think the tree really enhances it. And indeed, you can take it further and you can walk around and keep looking. And in this case, what I wanted to do was actually block the sun and just sort of silhouette the tree, which makes it another type of image as well. Really hope you've enjoyed this brief video with a couple of tips of using your iPhone to capture sunrise or sunset. Do subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.